So I decided to go to church and get God in my life, bro. Maybe I can pass these challenges a bit quicker, a bit faster. So yeah, just want some superpowers, bro. Hey good people, what's up, what's up, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great, man. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. No pause. Did I do an intro for this video? I don't think I did. But anyways, welcome to the channel, As you saw that clip right there, that was 3 days ago, by the way. It's already Wednesday. And yeah, I went to church. Not really church, but it was like a prayer session thing. But yeah, just trying to include God in my life, bro. Include God in everything that I'm doing, including trading. Is it? And yeah, I'm a happy Christian, by the way, if you guys didn't know. So I don't know, man. Just wanted to update you guys with my trading, and it's not really going as hot right now. The previous video I made was about me getting out of drawdown, and I think we are back in drawdown again. But it's not my fault, man. It's not my fault. I'm blaming the market on this one. I'm not blaming myself, bro. Because yeah, to you know. To beg my excuse, I did my fundamental analysis, which includes the economic factors, sentiment, COT, and also technicals, bro. Everything was in my favor. But unfortunately, as markets being what they are, there was this Iran and Israel stuff going on, the bombing and what. I'm sure if you trade, I'm sure you've heard about it already. So that's affecting the way the markets move, and unfortunately that's out of my control, bro. But I can tell you what is in my control. It's the risk that I'm putting on the market. That's in my control. So yeah, just trying to tell you guys also, just must risk appropriately so you don't blow your accounts in these events, like when this type of things are happening. But anyways, guys, yeah, just a quick update. It's been 3 days already. Time flies, man. Time flies. So let's just check what the market have for us at this very moment. Just show you my current trades. Like I said, I might be back in drawdown, but let me just show you the charts. Yeah, so back in the charts, like I said, currently back in drawdown. Balance wise, I'm in drawdown, but in equity, I'm actually floating just a little bit under 10k, which is like my starting balance, because I've been trading like the prop account, the prop firm account. If you know. So yeah, I'm just below 10k, so just under, I think, equity wise, which includes floating PNL. Equity wise, I'm like below the starting balance by like 0.3%, I think. But balance wise, because I closed out with a loss, just a small loss, which is this one right here. Obviously on the daily time frame, this doesn't look so attractive, but on the 4-hour time frame, I saw a push and a break of this resistance right here. We broke it, and then we came back to retest. We pushed a bit, we came back again. I thought price was going to continue to the upside, since technicals are not the only thing I look at. I always say that. So fundamentally, sentiment and also COT and technicals were looking like nicely bullish. They were looking nicely bullish. So yeah, I just took that trade right there, and unfortunately it got stopped out here because of spreads. You know how forex people, I got stopped out because of spreads, and entered another position here on GU because I still like the fundamental story behind this pair. So basically I'm favoring the other currency pair over the US, so I'm selling the US in this case. That's why you are seeing this buy position on my trades. And on the daily time frame, this also looks nice. We had a nice break out of this resistance on the daily time frame. So a break, we came back to retest just briefly, and then we pushed up again. We came back to retest for the second time. So this I would call a double bottom, and on a double bottom I would like price to continue pushing to the upside, but obviously I know that I will be wrong, so that's why I put the stop loss right here. And if price does continue to the downside, I will stop out and try again in this level of support right here and push to the upside. But if this one doesn't hold right here, if it do come back to retest it, if it doesn't hold, then I might flip to from being bullish to bearish. So yeah, I will be watching this one close, so hopefully we don't get stopped out. But I like the fundamental story, and it came back to retest a key level of support, so I'm expecting price to continue to the upside. And on US 500, I'm in this position. It's been like some days, I think about 4 days. I entered, I think on Friday. Was it on Friday? Yeah, I entered on Friday. We pushed up to like a 1:2, came back. Now we almost at break even, but I'm still holding this position because I took it for a reason, and I had a pretty good reason why I took it, so I'm still gonna hold it. But like I said, because of the geopolitical tension, the wars, the thing that's going on with Israel and Iran is really putting a strain in the market. So that's why we're seeing this push to the downside. So I know why this is happening. Obviously I know why this is happening, which is unfortunate for my trading account, but I know why this is happening, and it's out of my control. But I have to stick to my plan and continue trading my plan. So yeah, hopefully we do see a push to the upside and continue, and then take this resistance on the higher time frames, which will be taking us to the all-time highs. But I'm pretty sure if things do de-escalate a bit in the Middle East, I am going to see a push to the upside, because companies are performing good, man. If I'm being honest, we are expecting rate cuts in the near future from the Fed, by Jerome Powell, if I'm being specific. So obviously rate cuts are going to be bad for the US dollar, good for indices, because borrowing interest rates and borrowing money will be easier for companies to grow and stuff like that. So obviously that's a positive for the indices, and which will be negative, like I said, for the dollar, but positive for things like GU, EU, USD CAD will go down in that case. So yeah, pretty much have a good reason why I'm in trades. As even though they're not going as planned, I have a very good reason why I took them, and if I did like see them again somewhere else, I would still take them. So yeah, otherwise that's just it for now, and I'll keep you guys updated, so stay tuned. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to get ignored. They don't want you to have on it. They don't want to be like your love. They don't want to be smiling love. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are okay. Just wanted to give you a quick update. I think I'm just gonna end the video here because I'm quite busy at the moment, and just to end the video, I wanted to show you guys where my trades are at right now. It's like it's Friday today, and the markets are closing Friday. So just a quick overview of how my PNL is looking like, going to this weekend. And yeah, hopefully I'll make other videos very soon, but right now kind of busy going to campus. So yeah, just gonna show you guys what's happening on the charts on my side at least. So to conclude this video, like I said, I'm currently I'm still in this position right here. Didn't close out at break even or whatsoever. So I still have this trade right here, still expecting it to continue to the upside. I'm still holding it. It's been like a full week now since I took this trade. Took it last week Friday, so about the same time last week. And I also have a GU long, obviously on my Profirm account. That's what I'm trading right now, and I have a GU long, and this is what how it's looking like at the moment. And also I have a CAD JPY long position, and it's also slightly in profit. So basically most of my trades right now PNL wise are in profit. So let me just go to the actual dashboard of funding traders. So I'm currently on my dashboard, my trading app, which is Trade Locker from Funding Traders, which is the 10K account that I purchased. So as you can see on the balance side, oh my days, network. As you can see on the balance side, slightly below uh, uh, break even, which is 0.3% in drawdown, and this is my open positions and equity, as you can see, just above 1%. So yeah, these are the trades that I just talked about. The CAT JPY, which is this one that's showing on the screen right now, the GU one, which is this long position right here, and also S&P, which I've been holding for quite some time now, and it's really pissing me off if I'm being honest. But anyways, I am a consistent trader, just being delusional at this point, but I am, bro, but I am, and I'm sticking to my plan and all those sorts of good stuff. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and if you did get this far, please comment down below with this emoji, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. And yeah, man, peace out.